Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make cinematic intro. So first click on the media, go to the library and click on the background. Here you need to select the black background, put on the timeline, click on the text, pick the default text, put on the timeline, adjust to the media, type the text, make it bold, adjust the font size, then go to the animation and click the laser cut effect. Change the duration to the maximum to adjust with the main media length. This is much better. Select the both media, right click, create compound clip, and then go to the media and select the background. Put on the timeline, drag the compound media to the upper layer, adjust the media to the compound, select on the compound media, go to the video, click on blend, drop down the mode, pick the brighten, adjust the opacity to the 65%, click on the background, reduce the opacity, let's play it and check how it works. Yes, it looks perfect. I hope you understand how to make the cinematic intro in CapCut. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thank you for watching.